Lieutenant Stitchie, the dancehall pioneer and inspirational figure. Lieutenant Stitchie, born Everald Brown on October 6, 1968, in Jamaica, is a pioneering figure in the dancehall genre, known for his distinctive style and impactful lyrics. Over the decades, he has established himself as a key player in Jamaican music, influencing the development of dancehall with his unique blend of social commentary and vibrant rhythms. His journey from a young artist with a dream to a respected name in the industry is a testament to his talent, perseverance, and dedication to his craft. Early life and musical beginnings. Growing up in the vibrant and culturally rich environment of Jamaica, Lieutenant Stitchie was immersed in music from an early age. His early influences came from the sounds of reggae and dancehall that were prevalent in his community. Inspired by the works of reggae icons and the emerging dancehall scene, Stitchie began to cultivate his own musical style. He started his career in the late 1980s, performing at local dances and talent shows. His early work showcased a unique fusion of dancehall rhythms and lyrical storytelling, which quickly set him apart from his contemporaries. Career milestones. Lieutenant Stitchie's breakthrough came in the early 1990s with the release of his debut album, One Man Army. The album was a commercial success, featuring hits like Just a Party and Kill Them with a Style. These tracks highlighted Stitchie's ability to combine catchy dancehall beats with insightful and socially conscious lyrics. His distinctive voice and energetic delivery earned him recognition as one of the leading figures in the dancehall movement. In the mid-1990s, Lieutenant Stitchie released The Best of Lieutenant Stitchie, a compilation album that further solidified his reputation in the industry. The album included popular tracks such as You Say You Love Me and Holy Mount Zion, which showcased his versatility and lyrical prowess. His success continued with subsequent albums like Culture and Dancehall and Lieutenant Stitchie Meets the Rocket. These works demonstrated his ability to adapt to changing musical trends while maintaining his core style. Transition to gospel and spiritual influence. In the early 2000s, Lieutenant Stitchie underwent a significant transformation, both personally and professionally. He embraced Christianity and shifted his focus from secular dancehall to gospel music. This transition was marked by the release of his gospel album, Who God Bless, which received praise for its inspirational and faith-based content. The move to gospel music was a reflection of his personal spiritual journey and commitment to using his platform for positive influence. Despite this shift, Lieutenant Stitchie remained active in the dancehall scene, occasionally returning to his roots with dancehall tracks that echoed his newfound faith. His ability to navigate between gospel and dancehall demonstrated his versatility and resilience as an artist. Legacy and current endeavors. Lieutenant Stitchie's impact on the dancehall genre is profound. As one of the early pioneers, he helped shape the sound and style of dancehall music, influencing subsequent generations of artists. His contributions to the genre are remembered for their blend of entertaining rhythms and thought-provoking lyrics. Today, Lieutenant Stitchie continues to be a respected figure in both the gospel and dancehall communities. He remains active in music, frequently performing at events and working on new projects. His story is one of evolution and adaptability, reflecting his ability to stay relevant in a constantly changing musical landscape while remaining true to his values. Lieutenant Stitchie's legacy is characterized by his innovative contributions to dancehall and his inspirational journey through music and faith. His career serves as a testament to the power of music as a force for personal and social transformation, demonstrating that true artistry extends beyond genre and style.